Hey guys, what is up? This is going to be continuing the tutorial that we made prior to this one on how to make smooth walking controls. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add WSAD controls as well as arrow controls. So this is very simple. Let's hop right into it. First off, you want to go to operators, and then you want to get an OR. And then you want to drag your up arrow, and you want to have 2 up arrows, and you can pretty much just delete all these other ones. And then you want to duplicate the OR statement with the key things in it, just like that. And so now we're going to do if key up arrow or W pressed. So let me quickly find the W. I think it's down here. Yep. So if up arrow or W pressed. And then we can do if down arrow or S key pressed. If right arrow or D pressed. Or if left arrow or A pressed. Then. So what this will basically do is, well, it'll simply do what this tutorial was all about, adding WSA and D controls. So right now I'm using my arrows, and now I'm using WSAD. So anyway, if you guys did enjoy this tutorial, then make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, so now let's see what the cat has to say. Oh, he says subscribe. Okay, yeah, you guys heard him. So go ahead and do it, and I'll see you guys next time.